As of soil erosion,
Soil erosion.
Soil erosion.
Well, soil erosion.
Kamusta? Ako nga pala si Fion at gusto ko ipahagi sa inyo kung ano ang storya ng loam soil.
Loam soil has a different mixture of sand, silt, and clay. It retains moisture and even rich in nutrients and even it can drain well. With loam soil, you can grow a variety of plants like vegetables and other plants like this. And this. And this. And many more. But minsan, ang loam soil ay may kinakaharap na threats like soil erosion and nutrient depletion, kaya kailangan natin to protektahan para sa future generation. We can protect loam soil by using sustainable practices like reducing waste.
Pero, higit pa sa practices, dapat magtulungan tayo sa pag-spread ng awareness. I-share natin ang importance ng soil sa iba. Pwede tayong gumawa ng community gardens, magsagawa ng tree planting activities, support eco-friendly programs, at i-promote ang soil conservation. Pinaka-importante, ating simulan ito sa ating sarili sa pamamagitan ng simpleng pagtatanim, pag-reduce ng waste, at pagre-respeto sa ating kalikasan. Kaya, let's cherish and protect our loam soil. It's a one of kind that is worth preserving, kaya halina, protektahan natin ang ating kalupaan.